I'm the worst fucking maniac when it comes to scratching and shit. I just get to do this for no reason, I guess. Cause I don't have any fucking fleas or nothing here. And, I got rid of that bitch that bit me right there. That was fucking, no flea or nothing. Shit, it was pluskva, bedbug, bitch. And this started to get infected. Unfortunately for the infection, I have my Polish fly. Maybe this is not what it is, but my Polish fly looks just like it. So you have to be satisfied with exact this image, and thank you. My Polish flag is not on any exhibition because it's not supposed to be. Otherwise, it's not gonna help me or anybody else. Me in good faith, others if I curse them badly. Thank you.